What is good, YouTube? It is your boy WhizKidZay. Thank you for tuning in today. If you know by the title, we are rebuilding my SRT8. If you love cars, this is the channel for you. If you love trucks, this is the channel for you. And if you got an SRT8, this is definitely the channel for you. Make sure you surround yourself by better people, man. They want to see you do better. No negative people. Make sure you just being a better person every day, man, because karma is real, man. So, with that being said, let me not talk too much. Let's get into the video. I love brake cleaner. It dries so fast. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is gonna be the 6-1 channel of very little. It's not a very lot of 6-1 channels. I don't know why they don't get the praise that they deserve. They rare cars and I love them. But first, I'm gonna show y'all both cars, and then we're gonna open up my new BBK headers from Summit Racing in Dallas. Man, if you want some good quality parts, man, go to Summit, man. They doing their thing. But let's get into the video. So this right here is my 5.7. I'm gonna be rebuilding it and giving it to my brother. It needs a piston job done on it. The pistons are cracked, and we have to go take the motor and get it rebuilt. But this is my 6.1. It ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. I'm already completed most of the things for the engine. We're just gonna be putting on the exhaust system. We're gonna put on my shorty headers today and try to install the motor today. I want to hear it run. It's been a minute. One thing I have to do on here is put on the map sensor at the back. And we got to install the exhaust system.
Wizard. you.